HP printer error U1-2320 is a significant hardware-related error that has been affecting HP OfficeJet Pro Series printers for several years. This error primarily affects HP OfficeJet Pro Series printers that were released between 2018 and 2024. As of 2025, it remains one of the most commonly reported issues. The U1-2320 error is classified as a critical printer failure that indicates several possible hardware malfunctions within the printer's internal systems. The error specifically indicates three main technical problems: breakdown in communication between the system board and other components, inconsistent power delivery, or corrupted firmware causing system instability. Understanding the root causes of this error is crucial. The causes break down into three main categories: hardware-related issues, software-related problems, and environmental factors. Hardware issues are the most common cause, including system board degradation in printers over 2 years old, power supply unit failures affecting 25% of cases, loose internal cable connections, and printhead assembly problems. Software-related causes include firmware corruption, often triggered by interrupted updates, and driver conflicts with newer operating systems like Windows 11 and Mac OS Ventura. Environmental factors such as power surges, dust accumulation, and temperature fluctuations account for the remaining cases. Now we'll explore practical solutions to resolve HP printer error U1-2320, starting with quick reset procedures that solve most cases. The hard reset method resolves 45% of U1-2320 errors. First, completely unplug your printer for a full 60 seconds to clear all residual power. While unplugged, hold the power button for 15 seconds to discharge internal capacitors. Then reconnect and test your printer. For persistent errors, try a factory reset. Access the service menu by holding Cancel and Power buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. Navigate to the Factory Reset option and confirm. This will restore all settings to default, so you'll need to reconfigure your network and preferences. If quick resets don't work, we need advanced troubleshooting techniques that address hardware and firmware issues. Firmware corruption causes 20% of U1-2320 errors. Download the latest firmware from HP's official support portal for your specific printer model. Enter recovery mode using your printer's specific button combination, then flash the firmware using HP's Smart Install utility. Hardware issues cause 70% of U1-2320 errors. Inspect internal ribbon cable connections, looking for loose or damaged cables that affect system board communication. Check the system board for visible damage or burn marks, and test the power supply unit with a multimeter to verify proper voltage outputs. Prevention is better than cure. Let's explore proactive maintenance strategies to prevent U1-2320 errors from occurring. Regular maintenance prevents most U1-2320 errors. Check for firmware updates monthly, as HP releases stability updates specifically targeting error prevention. Maintain stable environmental conditions and use surge protectors or UPS systems to prevent power-related damage that triggers hardware failures. Implement monthly internal cleaning routines to prevent dust accumulation that affects sensors and internal connections. Watch for early warning signs that indicate potential U1-2320 errors. Intermittent connectivity issues and unusual printing noises often precede system failures. Delayed startup sequences and inconsistent print quality are also indicators that your printer may be developing hardware communication issues. HP has responded to the widespread U1-2320 issue with several initiatives to help users resolve and prevent this error. HP introduced an extended warranty program in 2025, specifically covering U1-2320 affected units with special warranty extensions. Monthly firmware stability updates now target error prevention, while new cloud-based diagnostic tools launched in March 2025 provide remote troubleshooting capabilities. These improvements have increased success rates significantly. 73% of U1-2320 errors now resolve through user troubleshooting, with an average resolution time of just 45 minutes when following systematic approaches. By following these troubleshooting steps and prevention strategies, you can effectively resolve and prevent HP printer error U1-2320, keeping your printer running smoothly.